So friends, if your chats are not showing up in Messenger or showing waiting for network and the loading problem, so watch this video till end, because in this video I am showing you why this problem is coming in the Messenger and why the chats is not showing up in Messenger and why is the loading problem will show. So watch this video till end, because in this video I am showing you why this problem is coming in your Messenger and what is the solution of this problem. So guys, you can watch this video till end, and if you guys facing this problem, so do like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like that. For solution, you have to go to the home screen of your phone. After this, you have to open the settings of your phone. Watch this video till end, because every step is very important in this video. So when you opening the settings of your mobile phone, you have to scroll down and select the apps option. After selecting the apps option, you need to find out the messenger in your app list. When you searching for messenger app, the messenger will be shown in the app list, so you need to click on the messenger app. So when you click on the messenger app, you have to select the storage option. After selecting the storage option, you have to select clear cache button. Yes guys, you have to select clear cache, and after clearing the cache, press the back button and go back. After this, select the force stop option and press the OK button. Now this steps is complete, so you need to go to the home screen of your phone. After this, you have to open the Play Store of your phone. Yes guys, you have to open the Play Store of your phone. When you opening the Play Store, you have to click on the search button, and after this select the search bar, and here you have to search for the messenger app. Okay, so you have to search for the messenger app, and after searching for messenger, if the messenger shows an update, so guys, you need to update your messenger app. Click on the update button and wait till the messenger update completed. If the update is not showing in your messenger, so your messenger will be already updated, so you need to go to the home screen of your phone. But if the update is showing, so you need to update your messenger app, and after this press and hold the power button and select the restart button in your mobile phone. So your mobile phone will be automatic switch off, then after some time it will automatic switch on, and after this you have to open your messenger app and your messenger starts showing the chats. I hope guys these steps will fix your problem, and if you guys having any other problem in messenger, comment me. Do like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.